Welcome to J&J's test video of S2 MA415, 116,000 mile Miata NB2 automatic. It's got some aftermarket wheels on it, pretty decent, not a lot of miles, all there. Letting it run, wintertime here in Ohio. Open, a nice little hood top on it. Alright, not crazy blow by. Sounds pretty good. Cooling's all still intact. We'll take it for a quick drive. Automatic. 116, 523. A little aftermarket CD player in there. Some funky shifter. But it runs and drives. We hardly ever sell these transmissions. No one ever puts automatics in them, or they never go bad, one or the other. Alright. That's that. Radio works. Old radio. Look at that. There you go. Ooh. Alright. Thank you again, as always. And remember to have your pets spayed and neutered.